is a family-owned and operated veterinary clinic that's been in the same location since 1982. We're a full-service veterinary clinic. We have 2 veterinarians on staff, Dr. Krug and myself. We offer routine examinations and vaccinations, surgery, anesthetic and non-anesthetic dentals, radiology, and blood work. We also offer boarding facilities, bathing, and nail trims. I think the feeling that people get when they walk in the door is just the warmth and friendliness and the feeling of actually being with family members.
The staff here are wonderful. The doctors are very knowledgeable. My dog loves coming here, and I wouldn't trust my dog with any other veterinarian.
Our veterinary team is committed to providing your animal the highest quality care. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 8 to 6 and Saturday from 8 to 1. So we hope to see you and your pet soon at Ramblewood Animal Hospital.